If you've ever wanted to change the toolbar position in Microsoft Word, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you prefer the toolbar above the ribbon for a more compact view or below the ribbon for easier access, Word gives you a simple way to switch it. This is a really useful adjustment if you want to make your workspace feel more comfortable and efficient. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word and look at the toolbar area at the top of the window. On the far right end of the toolbar or ribbon area, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click that arrow. A menu will appear with toolbar display options. From here, you can choose Show Below the Ribbon if you want the toolbar to sit underneath the ribbon, or choose Show Above the Ribbon if you want it placed higher up. Just click the option that matches your preference, and Word will instantly move the toolbar position for you. That's it. No extra settings, no complicated menus, just a simple click. This is a fast way to customize your Word layout and make it feel the way you like to work. If you're using Word every day for documents, schoolwork, office tasks, or content creation, small changes like this can make a big difference in your speed and comfort. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.